Hello and welcome to First Tech Tech. First came Corona. It is still devastating the entire world. Even the relationship between India and Chinese borders are not so well. And then came the insignificant YouTube versus TikTok controversy. And entire nation went crazy when Karim Minati's video from YouTube was taken down. As a result of this, there is naturally anti-China sentiment. People are circulating messages across WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter that ban Chinese apps, do not use Chinese apps. And if you are thinking to buy a mobile, do not go with a Chinese vendor. Capitalizing this prevailing sentiment, Jaipur-based startup One Touch App Labs launched their app Remove Chinese Apps. The name is Remove Chinese Apps. So as the name is simple, the work is also very simple. It only scans whatever apps are there installed in your mobile. It detects whatever apps are there from China and then asks you to remove. It is a very straightforward app. So when it hit the Play Store on 17th of May, that is last month, within a span of 2 weeks, it reached a total download of 1 million with a total rating of 4.8, if I'm not very wrong. It was one of the highest rated app in the Play Store and reached the number 2 ranking in the Google Play Store under the category of free apps. So it was indeed a simple app which used to remove cam scanners, TikToks, share it, etc. from your phone. But according to latest reports by Reuters, Google has confirmed that they have removed this app from the Play Store, but without giving any plausible explanation. But one of the experts in this field have told that Google has actually removed this app from the Play Store because of its deceptive policy. So according to this policy, it states that apps that encourage or incentivize users into removing or disabling third-party apps or modifying device settings or features unless it is a part of verifiable security service. This is confusing to me. In a nutshell, it states that third-party apps which indirectly or directly advises users to uninstall other apps within the system will come under this policy. But I want to ask the clarity that why do uninstallers don't lie in this category? We do have so many uninstaller APKs or apps that can be installed from Play Store. Why they don't fall under this category? So maybe if you have clarity on that or on this statement by Google, you can comment it down in the description box. We can discuss there. But as of now, this becomes irrelevant to me. But I think that Google removed this app from the Play Store. This is my own feeling because of the anti-China sentiment that is prevailing across the nation, and indirectly or directly, China is getting targeted at the end, right? So I think because of that, Google has removed this from the Play Store. So Remove China app developer has also released a press statement into their website, but they did not give any clarity that why it got removed or what are their feelings about that and what are their backup plans for that. There is no clarity about that, but they only thank the user who made them rich in the number 2 top grossing position in the Google Play Store. Now that Google has removed this app from the Play Store, you can't install from there. Though for some of the users, the indexing might be there, but if you go to the Play Store, it won't install. So it is completely removed from the Play Store. But I have a copy of that app if you want to use. I will link in the Dropbox section in the description box. You can download the APK from there and you can install. Let me know in the comment section what is your thought about the entire this anti-China sentiment that is going on into the country. But I would like to give my honest 2 cents here. To be very frank, I understand the entire COVID situation. I understand the TikTok situation as well. But bashing one country and maybe dethroning that with respect to technology is not cool to me. I mean, I'm a lover of technology and I embrace and I will embrace technology from wherever parts of the world it is coming from. So I don't think it is cool. And coming to the fact that do not use Chinese phones, then everybody of us needs to stop using phones right now, especially the smartphones. I mean, Samsung users can claim that their phones are not manufactured in China. Even if they are not manufactured in China, the small parts that are there into the phone, which makes the entire phone, comes from the China, sir. So the battery, the camera, the Wi-Fi unit, the modem, everything are manufactured from the Foxconn, and most of the things are manufactured in China. It may get assembled in USA, but the Foxconn which is there in China is the leading producer and manufacturer with respect to all the technical gadgets that we use in today's world. So I think it should ease out a little bit. this COVID and TikTok sentiment should be there in one space, and technology should be embraced with open hands in another space. So that's all I had to tell. Please let me know what you think about it. If you are coherent with me, definitely let me know. If not, also let me know. I'll be embracing all those review comments with my open arms. So take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.